What are you doing, man? What'd I do?
How was Roy yesterday? Was he still alive?
Yeah.
Do you remember what happened yesterday?
One stops, but we needed to pay him back right there.
Kept talking about hiking, right? But it seemed like nobody really want to go hiking. So I was
Oh
like,
my fucking god! You said I don't really want to go
That's
hiking.
you, yeah. Because you got a whole outfit for it. But I
Nobody
thought
else
that-
wants to go hiking
Yeah, I think
except
nobody
me.
else wants to go hiking.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Why would you drive like that, bro? I'm not talking to you, Johnny.
Right here?
No.
Oh, this is nice.
Nice. We're gonna go all the way up.
All the way up.
Yep. All the way up.
All the way up. This is going down, dog.
No, it's gonna go up.
Yeah, it's gonna go up again.
It's like a roller coaster. Put your hand up in the air.
You shouldn't, but I will. I'll do it for you. You keep your hands down.
Want me to open the window?
No.
In 1,000 feet, your destination will be on the left.
Oh, see?
I didn't even know my phone was still on.
See those cars? See where that guy
We're here.
Destination is on the
that's
left.
cool.
Handicap.
You got
I'll break your legs.
Nah.
You got.
No, I don't.
There. Okay, you want a picture?
No.
No? Okay.
Look, we're here. See? We're here. We don't need a
I
picture.
got video.
Selfie. Good picture.
Roy got it. Roy got it.
This is high-tech toys.
I think so.
I can't see anything.
Why is that even on?
Yeah?
This is it? Bro, what is up with the stairs? I thought this was a trail.
This is a quick look at Mother Nature with Roy the Nerdy Boy. Running across the treacherous terrain in the Danner Combat Hiker boot, made in the USA, I quickly realized my party could not keep up. 2/3 of which were wearing the Yeezy 350, which were made in China and not suitable for hiking. Perhaps they were trying to flex on the flora and fauna. I'm sure they were impressed, but the lack of ankle support would surely be their downfall. One of the members even took them off, maybe coming to the realization that the bare human foot is far superior than any man-made imitations, and Mother Nature got it right. Or perhaps they didn't want their Yeezys to get wet.
Video.
Can you delete it afterwards?
But what if I see Bigfoot in the background? Can't delete it. I'm looking at the tree, conceited. You guys ready? Breakfast? With lettuce wrap and make it a combo and
Oh no, I took too long to order. They'll surely laugh at me. I must run. Run far, far away from here.
trip has been good. Finally got to do some hiking. Plastic straws.
This is a story about a boy, a burger, and a bee. A story of gluttony, overindulgence, and anger. witness this outburst of rage against one of Mother Nature's creations. Why, without her, we couldn't even have the juicy, delicious burger. Now can we? Why can't we all just live in peace?
They don't come like this in stores, you know.